Hello everybody, this is Jeff Janess. Welcome to our 6th lab exercise on geoprocessing tools. Here we'll test out the clip tool that'll act like a cookie cutter to clip out a bunch of our roads union feature class into a particular game management unit polygon. If any of you are hunters in the Flagstaff area, this is game management unit 6A, which is just south of Flagstaff. If you don't have your roads union feature class from lab exercise 5 already loaded in your map, go ahead and load it in now. Also make sure that your default geodatabase for your project is set to the correct geodatabase that we set in lab exercise 1. Alright, so I have it in here. Next step is to add the game management unit feature class to our map. That is in the folder selecting and creating data. Here it is, the Arizona Game and Fish Department Game Management Units. We'll add that in there. I'm going to change the symbology so I can see the data underneath it. I'm just going to make it I make it an outline, but I'm going to make the outline into a nice red color. It sort of jumps out. Alright, there we go. If you're curious, this management unit here is 6A, so that's one we're going to be clipping to. But first thing we have to do is select that game management unit. The clip tool is one of those that does honor any selection if such a selection is present. So let's select it. Game management units, a new selection where GMU, that's the game management unit, is equal to 6A. Alright, looks good. Hit OK. Sure enough, the polygon is selected. Okay, now let's open up the clip tool. It's in the analysis. Go to the tools. Clip tool is in analysis tools, extract toolbox, and right at the top. So we're going to click on that. There's a pairwise option. The pairwise tool would work just fine in this example. Remember, pairwise tools use parallel processing. For some reason, they decided to call that pairwise. But anyway, either one will work just fine. We're going to use the game management units as the clip features. We have one feature selected. This is good. Another quick reminder, just like when we did the buffer tool, do not use this tool. Don't browse on the hard drive to go find this layer. We need to have the layer from the map as the data that we're putting in there, not the data set from the hard drive. The layer is where the selection is stored. So if we want to make sure we clip to just this polygon, we have to use this exact layer. Alright, the objects we're going to be clipping are the roads unions. We just put that up there. We're going to name our new feature class Roads in 6A. Copy that. Go right here. Let's confirm that it's going into the correct geodatabase because we're going to have to turn this in. So all looks good. Hit run. Okay, it's all finished. And it clipped it correctly. So that's how the clip tool works. A nice cookie cutter action right on those roads. All right, thanks so much everybody. That was an easy one.